In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up international shipping on Shopify. Start in your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, head to Home so you're on the main dashboard for your store. From there, open Settings at the bottom of the left sidebar. In Settings, select Shipping and Delivery. This is where all shipping profiles and zones live. Under Shipping Profiles, open your General Profile, which applies to most products unless you've created custom profiles. Inside the profile, you'll see your zones, typically domestic and international. It helps to peek at domestic first so you understand how your existing rates are structured, then switch to international. With the international zone selected, click Add Shipping option to create the rate customers will see at checkout. Choose the highlighted option to add a custom rate. Give your rate a clear name so customers understand what they're choosing. For example, International Standard or International Express, depending on speed. Click into the price field and enter the amount you want to charge. Take a moment to double-check the number and currency formatting to avoid surprises at checkout. If you want to show an estimated delivery window, select transit time and choose the range that best matches your carrier's performance. You'll also see Offer Free Shipping. Toggle this if you plan to offer free shipping in this zone, otherwise leave it off. When everything looks right, click Done to add the rate. If you were experimenting and don't want to keep your edits, click Discard to back out of those temporary changes. Next, set up or refine the destinations you ship to. Click Add Zone to create a new international shipping zone. Use the highlighted controls to pick the countries or regions that belong in this zone, then click Done to save. Back on the profile page, use the highlighted menu next to the zone to access more options, and choose Edit Zone if you need to adjust it. Update the zone name to something memorable, like Europe or Asia Pacific, so it's easy to maintain later. If you want to expand your coverage, click Add More Regions and Markets to include additional countries without leaving this flow. When you're finished, click Done. To quickly locate a country, zone, or rate you just created, use the search field at the top. This is especially helpful as your list grows. You've now navigated from Home to Settings, opened Shipping and Delivery, worked inside the General Profile, reviewed domestic and international, created an international rate with a name, price, and optional transit time or free shipping, and organized your zones so customers abroad can check out smoothly.